world.
A lot of shots.
I'm a bad bitch. We definitely dropped the whole fruit bowl in there.
I'm instead of shitting.
The big one, not the little one.
I tell her bring it back like she loves some. Bring it back like she loves some. In the club with the lights on, but you acting shy for. Come and show me that you with it. Stop playing, now you know that
Who the fuck are you? Your girlfriend. Oh. I feel kind of embarrassed. No more excuses. No more excuses.
Hey y'all, so before we get into this, I just need to give y'all a little quick rundown, and I promise it's gonna be quick. Y'all about to see me talk about what's about to go on in the video and all of that. I was going to put in me cleaning and stuff before that, but I honestly think it's pointless. It takes up stuff that y'all don't want to see when y'all really want to see what y'all just seen. Like, y'all want to see that coming soon, right? Right. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. I feel like I did my big one on this, y'all, so please like, comment, and subscribe, share, turn your post notifications on. Love all the support. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jugaloreee, and I'm back with another video. I need to start figuring out the names before I do this intro shit, but like I really don't know. Right now it is 3:29 and I just woke up, not too much. I want to give you guys a rundown real quick, a fast rundown, because I don't know if y'all like me talking so much, but I'm gonna get you guys a fast rundown. My aunt that lives in PA, which I used to live, she is coming down here. She actually should be here sometime today, I believe. She's driving. She's coming down honestly for cheer and dance, because my cousin does cheer and dance. So they're doing like, I think it's called like tournaments. I don't know what it's called, tournaments or whatever. I don't really know what's going on, y'all. Nothing very like planned it. I really don't know what's going on. Y'all will see. I don't want y'all to be confused, because I know that I be editing and it just be looking so hectic and confusing. I don't want this vlog to be hectic. I want it to be a lot, but like in order, and like you guys know what's going on. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Like, I don't know, y'all, like comment your favorite parts, comment those videos y'all want to see, because I'm telling y'all, like, I want to do what y'all want to see, you know, and also what I want to do as well. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into the video. Hey y'all, it is May 5th. It's a Friday, and this is the day we all have been waiting for. Okay, last thing y'all seen, I don't even know, I'm so confused. Okay, so for my hair, I was supposed to do a ponytail, didn't end up doing a ponytail, didn't work out. Then I was gonna put in my clip-ins that I have. I put those in. That didn't go well either. So you know what? We're gonna keep the hair straight, and then I'm gonna get in the pool and it's gonna get wet and it's gonna be curly, period. I don't give a fuck. I feel like my hair's mad ugly, so I'm gonna wear it out, and it is what it is. So right now I'm getting ready because my aunt is coming to pick us up. Ew, I got white lines. Why the fuck y'all ain't tell me? Long story, don't feel like explaining myself, but my aunt's picking us up. And I'm about to do my hair, brush my teeth, just like get kind of pretty, put my lashes on, and then I'm gonna put some lips on, and y'all just gonna see that. Yeah. Y'all, we're at Walmart. Not too much. Hey y'all. Hey my friends with me. I'm about to update you guys real fast, like real fast. It is 9:17. My aunt didn't come until like 3 hours. It's just been alive. We're getting a couple stuff. We did pick up my friend, as you can see, and we haven't went to the Airbnb yet. We is at Walmart getting a couple snacks and stuff. There's a lot going on, y'all, and I'm trying to vlog, but I forgot. Or you want me to vlog, but like
Box of 12.
yeah, because I'll eat a burger, and then we'll just make sure we get extra fries so we can have fries tonight and with those. I'm gonna talk to y'all when we're checking out. This is too much. I'm changing the package. Not gonna lie, the cheap ones are good, but not those cheap ones. I'm probably just gonna get one turkey. Yeah.
And there was a tree. They just cut the fucking tree down.
Y'all, we at the B&B. Don't play. Just took some shots. Say hi to my vlog. What's up? Say hi to my vlog. What's up? We in this total play. Go ahead. Go. Oh. Hey y'all, so I'm out of breath. So right now what's going on, it's 10:43. I'm blowing up this mattress. Say hi, friend. Hey. This is the bed, and then it's this. My mom's gonna sleep here, my sister's gonna sleep there, and me and my friend will sleep on the mattress. I'm really out of breath. Well, y'all finna just watch me blow this mattress up real quick.
Trust me, this is about revenge. I get along better with your friends. It's wrong, I know.
The girls are asleep. Not really. They're just chilling. So that's why we're not with them right now. But we do have to wake up at like 9:30 in the morning because we have to be somewhere or out by 11. Y'all, this is my night clothes. I just put anything on. Oh, why is the tag out from? Why didn't you tell me the tag was out? That's weird. You're weird. And we're gonna go in the room, listen to some music, and take some more shots. Oh no, I look really broke. Hey y'all, it's 1:35 in the morning. Oh, yeah, we gotta be up at 8 o'clock, y'all, and it's 1:35.
Hopefully it doesn't give me more indigestion.
I'm eating these. Frank had the last one. That one looked kind of burnt.
I made little weenies with the biscuit around.
Tomorrow, me and my friend are kind of matching, but they're kind of not matching. Like, it's like we look like we're supposed to be together, but we don't got the same shit. You know? Good morning. My friends still sleep.
Everybody's in bed, so.
Rocked. I'm gonna tell y'all what we're doing in just a second. Okay, y'all, so I don't even know why I'm whispering because my friend is not gonna wake up. But it's 8:34 in the morning and we have to be out of here by, they said 11? 10?
They said they're leaving at 10.
Okay, they said we're leaving at 10. So technically what's going on is my cousin, Jalen, she does cheer and dance. So we're doing like competitions. If y'all don't know, last year I did a vlog. It'll be right here. Thumbnail. Boom. Go watch it. That's part 1. This part 2. Don't play. But yeah, I really want McDonald's before we go. So like, I'm gonna ask my aunt to give me McDonald's. Like, she better just say yes. She's supposed to be rolling because you know we gotta wake and bake. And my friend loves smoking. Jay loves smoking. Like my friend, my sister really just be like this with it. Like, you know, you two are really out there just smoking the pieces away together.
I didn't know you weren't. That was your fault.
Oh no, I didn't want any more, bitch.
Oh.
I be tapping out. I'm surprised she didn't tap out. It's 83 degrees today. We're wearing jean shorts.
What shirt?
And it's a white tee.
Okay, good. Because I'm not wearing nothing fancy.
And then our Air Forces and a cute little purse. This bitch still sleep. Like, I'm about to wake this bitch up. I'm gonna get to y'all when we get the fuck up. But me and my friend were definitely bundled up together. Like, don't play. This bitch definitely, like, sleep. You better do good at recording today because I'm not about to keep doing this shit twice. Like, I'm not about to keep repeating myself for 2 channels. No. This is what's gonna make her better at it. Y'all, we're at Wawa. My friend's ordering. I already ordered mine to my sister, but I need to add something on this hoe. Y'all, we're here. It's like mad like packed. Tell me know what's going on. We got Bubba in this hoe. Don't play. Hey. Oh, good minute. Hey, what it? Oh, yeah. The big one, I don't know. Y'all, we still sitting here waiting because, yeah, there's a lot going on. They taking pictures up there. That is so cute. That's not our team though. Don't play. Y'all, we're going to the bathroom. Hey. Y'all, we're in here. I'm gonna get to y'all when there's people performing because I'm gonna like, you know, like, oh, scoot down, friend. I'm gonna get to y'all when people are performing. So, yeah, we're not really doing nothing. Y'all, it's 1:15. Y'all, we went to the bathroom to fix ourselves. Don't play. Y'all, we're walking around. Isn't it so cute? We're about to get a boomerang right here. I'm not playing. Hey y'all, so it's 4:39 and we just got done smoking, but we gonna roll again because like, oh period friend. My friend's really gonna roll and then I'll just like butt in when I need a butt in. We're in our swimsuits or whatever. So we thought we was going to City Walk, but we're not going because they're only going for a group picture and we're not like doing that. So we stayed here and then they'll come back and then we'll, you know, get lit and vibe out and shit.
Get lit, do shit,
But
pop some shit.
I'm trying to record, but nothing's like interesting happening. But yeah, that's what's going on, y'all. I'm trying to record, but like nothing's really interesting. Like it's not like interesting. Like I don't know. But when we get food, we're gonna video all that because we need to eat though. I'm eating French Lunchable. I'm not playing. Is it in here? Oh, I think it's in here.
You did.
You took my heart, I'm gonna ease and my patience. What?
How's my pink one?
Heart, I'm gonna leave the decoration. Hey y'all. Hey y'all. Hey y'all, it's 5:29. Oh, it's getting real like cheers to life. This hot tub is going, like it is going. Like look at that whole look at that shit. Look at that shit. Look at that shit. Y'all, it's 7:16. We got out of the shower just now. And we was in the pool, but that didn't last. We're about to go take some shots, a lot of shots. Y'all, it is 9:40 and we're drunk as shit lying. Look at them hoes. Jalen's in the bathroom, we was in the pool lying. No, don't lie.
Because y'all don't smoke.
Yo, I gotta talk fast because my phone's gonna die. But so Jalen's at comp right now. She's been at comp since 8 in the morning, I think. With her friend, obviously they do comp together. Obviously, y'all, like I feel like I repeated myself so many times. Okay, my friend's in a room. She's supposed to be recording. I'll be honest, y'all. If this is my channel, but if you go on our channel and our video is not the best, it's her fault, not mine. I just got done shitting. I'm out of breath all the time. I put my towel in the dryer because that shit's wet still from last night when I got out of the shower. And I have to shake my ass so when we go to the pool I can take some cute ass pictures without my ass being hairy. Too much? I don't know. I'm gonna brush my teeth, my bathing suit, and go clean the room up. I'll get to y'all when I'm in the room. Y'all, look at the mess. There's that. There's... yeah. And look. Like what? But I'm about to clean all of this up. Just put like all the dirty clothes in a pile, and then like if it's not dirty clothes, then it's just I was going back and put their bags, everyone's bags, and I'm putting all the trash in one pile, and I'm gonna put the shoes up and shit and put the snacks in one pile because we was drunk last night. Not gonna lie. Well, actually, let me speak for myself. I was drunk, but y'all know how I get. Don't play. We were drinking Captain Morgan and Fireball. Don't play with it. Don't play with it. Jalen and her friend. I need to stop saying Jalen and her friend. Jalen and Ambria, they was lit, but they had to go to sleep a little earlier just because they have comp, which is today. So like tomorrow they have nothing planned. So like tonight we can get lit. Imani is supposed to be leaving today at 8 p.m. But like we're trying to see if she can stay. But I don't know if she's gonna be able to stay. If not. Damn. Well, I'm gonna get y'all when I'm done cleaning this. I'm not finna record me cleaning this, y'all. I'm gonna be really straight up honest. Like, it's common sense, and yeah. What's up? We're in the pool, vibing, having fun. My friend. Hey, friend. Swim competition. So what's the name we're going by today? Pearl. Pearl. What's up, bitch? I'm Pearl. Pearl. Look at this fuck ass fishy in the water. Oh, don't. Look at you, friend. You look like a little ass kid. Oh, you're so cute. Yeah, give me a big smile. Yes. Hey y'all, it's 2:41 and I came inside with my friend because they want pizza and wings. They want their food. So I'm gonna heat it up, put it in the bag. Yeah, this is the basic I have on. Okay guys, it's 5:31 and the girls got back from comp like an hour ago. We was at the pool chilling. I just changed into this black dress. Let's go do my hair. We're going to Walmart to get dinner. Y'all, we're going to Walmart. We all wearing black. You're a big one. I love to be surrounded by bad bitches. Like, look at these. Look at these bad bitches. Like, who the fuck are you? Oh, who are you? Like, oh no, like, who are you? Like, no, don't ask why we're all black. There's no funeral happening. There's no funeral happening. Okay, we got Chef Jay in the building. Bro, what you cooking?
I can't get this out the sink.
You got the meat stock? She got the meat stock.
I'm not. The meat isn't the meat. No, it's not the meat.
Oh, it's the grease.
No.
Okay, well she's making is this ground beef? She cut the onions. My friend cut the tomatoes. We got the seasoning. She finna whip taco, hard taco.
Just let it go.
Snacks. Oh, hey, yeah. What are they? We got the bottle. I don't know what all that is, but y'all see the vibes. How much you doing?
I'm making pigs and rice.
Oh yeah, do your big one.
For my niece and nephew.
For her niece and nephew, don't play. Hey y'all, so we just got back from home or whatever, and we put everything away, and now we like, well, really we're not cooking. Oh, friend, like, no way. Oh, how you feel? How you feel, friend?
Get the fuck up out of my face.
Bye-bye. Huh? Hey, Em. How you feel, girl? You want to see yourself? Let's just let you see yourself. I don't even know. Like, how you feel? Like, good? Yeah. Yeah? Yeah, okay. Hey, I know what I want. No more excuses. No more excuses. Shorty, I want. Ew, every time I drink, I feel like I look ugly as fuck. I should not look ugly when I drink. Like, why would I look like this? I feel kind of embarrassed. Good night. We just got some snacks. Some fruit and chips. Don't play. We definitely dropped the whole fruit bowl in there. Oh, but I was not cleaning that shit up. Yeah, like, you thought we was cleaning? Bring it back. Hey, y'all.
I'm a bad bitch. Suck some dick.
No, that's
Bitch, get slick.
No, friend.
I'm a bad bitch. Fuck
Oh,
the
no,
bitch.
friend.
I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch.
No.
Y'all, we at the beach. Y'all, not gonna lie, we was drunk as fuck last night. I know y'all seen that, but I definitely recorded. Oh, you recorded? I did. And that's embarrassing as shit. So cute. I feel like I'm in a jungle. Yes, friend. Do your big one. Yeah. Yeah. I bet she's only out there. Don't play with it. Y'all got to cook it up. You got to cook it up on the napkin. Hey y'all, so this is editing me, future me. I didn't make an outro. Sorry about that. I really need to get better on making outros, y'all. I really do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it was like a little long, but I'm trying to make them a little longer.
Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this with people who watch YouTube or just share it in general. Make sure you guys also follow my socials, will be on the screen and in the description. Subscribe to me and my friends' YouTube. You guys also follow Imani, Jalen, and Ambria. It'll be on the screen and in the description. Don't play. Get them lit. Love you guys.
Everything around me.